Hi, it's David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio. Last week we showed how we installed a stained glass window, and then a week later we got this photo, and look at that. So we had to go and take that window out so that we could clean back behind it. Well, in order to get that window out, you'll remember that was a really tight window and it had been siliconed in place. So I had to do something in order to I had to make some pullers so I could get that window out. As you can see, we've got the window right here in our studio, and we're working on repairing it and getting it all ready to go back in. But it's not back in. Now, so on this video, we're going to show you how we got the window back out. And if you go to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own puller. And so you'll want to see that. Sure don't know how that got any moisture in there, Rick. Oh boy, that is...
What do you think it is? Is it moisture or is it caulk? Or...
Well, it's definitely moisture that ran through the caulking. The caulking is not liquid at all.
No, it's not at all. I know.
Man. Okay, this is not going to be easy.
So it's a good thing it's tight, but it's a bad thing if you want it out.
If you want it, yeah.
Come on.
That's what caulk is made for.
I think. Did that feel like you got in there?
It's so tight, it's hard to tell.
Try that.
Okay. Did I want to?
Go ahead. You're not in the way.
Oh,
So you see
Did you know that?
here, this is a handle, and I put some tape on it so it won't cut my hands. And you see on this end, this is a very thin piece of metal, and we'll be able to put this little hook back behind the glass, and then pull on it and gently pull on it. And I'm hoping that that'll be enough. If not, I may have to bend it out so it goes a little longer, and then I can break the seal between the caulking and the glass. So anyhow, I got several of them, so we'll be able to do it. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Back in there. Go the other direction. That's working.
If you guys ever
Quite ingenious. Oh, he came up with a good idea.
Get a patent put on that.
Yeah.
This one's gonna go here.
Huh?
Yeah, it doesn't look so bad when they're all nice and packed together like that.
Oh no! Come here, Loki. Come here. Come here. Right now. You will get in the way.
Okay. Well, I was taking some work on it.
Go downstairs. Ah.
Oh, come on.
Oh, good. You need him over there. Let me have one. Thank you. I gotta wash that one. It's just gotten dirty from that dog. I'm missing another pillow.
Okay, are you ready to film this?
Yeah.
I think I have to move these two out of the way. Woohoo!
Here you go, Dave. Let me get over here.
Oh, no, really? All right.
Okay. I have these strips of metal that I had cut for strengthening different projects. And that's a pretty nice piece of metal. That's about a 1/2 inch wide. And I just went to a sheet metal shop and had them cut them for me. And so that's what you need in order to make this tool. So you take your tin snips and figure about a little over a foot long. Clip it. Then what you do is you want to take your grozing pliers, you've got grozing pliers, and you come in about 1/8 of an inch and you bend that 1/8 of an inch to a 90 degree. See that? And then you can just put it over the edge of a table. Let's see if I've got it. edge of a table. I've got all kinds of stuff here. Now, I wanted the handle to be about hand width, and this piece being extra long is good. So I put it over the edge of the table and bend it down. Then what I did on mine is I took electrical tape and wound it around so that it wouldn't hurt me as I was pulling on it. And that's the tool. That's what you want. Now, if you find on yours that you need more width on the back end when you're trying to pull it and loosen the caulking, then you can take it out. But I only wanted 1/8 of an inch because that's as far as I thought I needed. Now this is really cool too, because as you're using it, when you get it back, you put it behind the glass, tip it up, and then as you're going along the glass, you can just twist it a little bit, and that'll give you just enough leverage to pull that glass out away from the wall, the window, as you're removing it. Really a handy tool. I hope you like that. See you next time.